Good morning. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is divisibility rule, and it plays an important role in every chapters because when you are going to calculate numbers like 5, 4, 3, 2 divided by 4, then if you know the divisibility rule of 4, then you can cancel out this, or 8, 1, 3, 2 divided by 24. If you know the divisibility rule, then you can cancel out this, or you can simply go by cancelling by 2 in numerator and denominator, and after that if you know the divisibility rule of 4 or 8 or 6, you can easily cancel out this. To fasten your calculation, you should know the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 11. Okay, so now we are going to start the divisibility rule. What divisibility rule says? Let me divisibility rule. Divisibility rule. Before introducing divisibility rule, I am giving you the brief introduction of number system. Okay, as you have already studied number system in your previous classes, that is natural number, whole number, integer number, rational number, irrational number, even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, co-prime number. All numbers you know, I know. Okay, then even number. If I ask you even number, what is even number? A number whose unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Whose unit digit, these are the unit digit. Whose unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is known as the even number. And what mean by odd number? Whose unit digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd number. Similarly, prime number, what is prime number? A number having only two factors, that is 1 and itself, is known as prime number. Composite number, that for example 2 having factors 1 and 2 only. 19 having factors 1 and 19. 1 is the factor of all number. Okay, so having only two factors, 1 and itself, the number itself, these are prime number. Composite number having more than two factors are known as composite numbers. Suppose 4, factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. 12, factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 and 12. These are the composite number. 4, 12 are the composite number having more than two factors. Okay, now come to the divisibility rule. Already you know natural number, whole number, integer, rational, irrational. But today we are going to study the divisibility rule. Okay. Now, first one is divisible by 2. Test of divisibility for 2. Okay. If I tell you that divisible by 2, which number are divisible by 2? A number whose unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. A number whose unit digit is divisible by, whose unit digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, or first one is 0. A number whose unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Then the number is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. For example, suppose I am giving you 9, 8, 5, 3, 1. Is this divisible by 2? Okay, no. Why? Because the unit digit, this one is called the unit digit, this one is called the tens digit, 100 digit, 1000 and 10,000 digit. Okay, so this one is the unit digit. And what is the criteria for divisible by 2? Unit digit must be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then this number is not divisible by 2. This number is not divisible by 2. Okay, why? Because unit digit is 1. Now I am giving you another example. 5, 8, 3, 2, 1, 8. Is this number is divisible by 2? Your answer is yes, sir. Because unit digit is here 8. Unit digit is 8. Then this number is divisible by 2. Number is divisible by 2. Number is divisible by 2. 5, 9, 1, 3, 2, 8, 6. Is this number is divisible by 2? Your answer is yes. This number is divisible by 2. Why? Because unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6. So a number whose unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. Complete? Now, I am going to the next one, that is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Which numbers are divisible by 3? A number if sum of all digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So one thing I want to ask you, that what is the difference between number and digits, and how many are digits and how many are numbers? Can anyone tell? Okay. Number means digits can be number, but numbers cannot be a digit. Suppose digits, there are finite digits, but there are infinite numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the digits. Individually, these are the digits. And you can also call this number. 0 is itself a number, 1 is itself a number, 2 is itself a number, 3 is itself a number, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. So there are these are also called digits. Individually, these are digits. There are 10 digits. 10 digits. In maths, there are 10 digits. What are the digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 digits in mathematics, but there are infinite numbers. There are infinite numbers. You can't count infinite numbers. So remember, if sum of all digits of a number, suppose any number is given, suppose the number is 3, 2, 4, 6, 1 and 5. Suppose this one is the number, okay, and number consists of digits, individual digits, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the digits, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, 5 are the digits. If sum of all digits of a number is 3,24,615. If sum of all digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now I am going to adding all these digits. Okay. See here. Digits what? 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5. How much it is? 3 or 2, 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 4, 9, 9, 6, 15, 15, 1, 16, 16, 5, 21. Now can you say that is 21 divisible by 3? Your answer is yes, sir. 21 is divisible by 3. 21 is divisible by 3. 3 7 ja. Okay. Now, if sum of all digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Then the whole number is divisible by 3. The whole number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Okay. Understand? Okay. One more example here. That. Can you say that? 5, 8, 3, 2, and 6. Is this number is divisible by 3? Yes. Say 8 and 5, 13, 13 or 13 and 3, 16, 16 2, 18, 18 6, 24. It means 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, which gives you 24. Is 24 is divisible by 3? Your answer is yes, sir. 24 is divisible by 3. That is 3 8 ja 24. 24 divided by 3 is 3 8 ja. 8 ja 24. It means if sum of the individual digits or sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Getting my point? Okay. 9 2 6 1 and 2. Is this number is divisible by 3 or not? Tell me. Yes, your answer is, sir, sum of digits is not divisible by 3. Why? 9 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2. 9 to 11, 11, 6, 17, 17 and 3, 20. Is 20 is divisible by 3? No. 20 is not divisible by 3. Hence, the number is will not divisible by 3. Now, we are going to check divisibility, divisible by 4. Okay. Divisible by 4. What is divisible by, which numbers are divisible by 4? A number whose last two digit is divisible by 4. then the number will divisible by 4. Then the number is divisible by 4. A number whose last two digit is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, 8, 4, 6, 4. If you want to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not, you have to check only what? You have to check only last two digit. Is 64 is divisible by 4 or not? Just you divide. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 4 6 ja 24. It means 16. It means the last two digit of the given number is divisible by 4. Hence, the whole number will divisible by 4. Second example, 5, 8, 3, 2. Is this number is divisible by 4 or not? Yes, just check. Last two digit. Is 32 is divisible by 4? You are saying, yes sir, 32 is divisible by 4. That is 4 8 is 32. It means 5, 8, 3, 2 is divisible by 4. What you check? Only you check the last two digit and you divide that is last two digit is divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible by 4, then the whole number will divisible by 4. Now move to divisibility rule. Divisibility by 5. Divisible by 5. Okay. Now check. Very simple. 5 and 10. Divisibility rule of 5 and 10 are very simple. Very simple. You have to check only the last two digits. So, or you have to check only the last digit or the unit digit. Divisible by 5. If the unit digit is 0 or 5. If the unit digit is 0 or 5, then the number will divisible by 5. Then the number is divisible by 5. For example, 1965. Is this number is divisible by 5 or not? You have to check only the last digit or the unit digit. Just check. It should be for the number divisible by 5, you have to check only the unit digit, that is unit digit of the number. The number is 1965. The unit digit is 5. Then if the unit digit is 5, then the number will divisible by 5. The number since unit digit is 5, hence the number divisible by 5. Hence the number is divisible by 5. Second example, 59650. is this number is divisible by 5 or not? Yes, just check the unit digit. What is unit digit here? 0. Since the unit digit is 0, hence the number is divisible by 5. Okay, this will also divisible by 5. Why? Since the unit digit is 0. Similarly, in case of 10, if I am here giving the divisibility rule by divisible by 10, if the unit digit is, I am doing here, okay, divisible by 10. If the unit digit is 0, if the unit digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Okay, then the number is divisible by 10. So is 1965 is divisible by 10? No. You are saying that no. For example, I am giving you here example. Example for 10. Okay. 58320. Is this number is divisible by 10 or not? You are saying, sir, yes, sir. Why? Because the unit digit is, since unit digit is 0, hence the whole number is divisible by 10. You are saying that, suppose 12505. Is this number is divisible by 10? You are saying that, sir, unit digit is 5. Hence the number will not divisible by 10. You are saying that 1900. You have to check only the unit digit. You are saying, sir, unit digit is 0. Unit digit is 0, hence the number will divisible by 10. Now we are moving to divisibility rule by 6. Divisibility by 6. Divisible by 6. Okay, see here. A number is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. 2 and 3 both. Okay. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. For example, as I have already given you the explanation of divisibility rule by 2 and 3, that is, a number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. Now, example 1. Example 1. 2, 4, 3 and 2, 4, 3, 3 and 6. Is this number is divisible by 6 or not? I am just asking you that. So first you have to check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. You have to check divisible by 2, divisible by 2. What is the criteria? Last digit or unit digit will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 divisible by 2. Since unit digit is 6, hence the number is divisible by 2. Hence number divisible by 2. Now you have to check also. You have to check also, that is whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Check divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. What is the criteria for the number divisible by 3? Sum of all the digits, that is 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. 6 and 6, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 2, which is equal to 18. Is the number 18 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes. One thing I want to recommend you, that please, you have to memorize the table of 2 to 20. At least you have to remember. You have to memorize the table from 2 to 20 so that your calculation will be very easy. If you want to fasten your calculation, you have to memorize the table from 2 to 20, square of 2 to 20, and cube of 2 to 20 at least. And you should have your calculation for calculation. You have to expert in LCM and SCF, sum of fraction, decimal, percentage, and etc, etc, etc. Okay, I have already checked that this number 24336 is divisible by 6 or not. First, I have checked divisible by 2. Okay, divisible by 2. Since unit digit is 6, hence number is divisible by 2. Check divisible by 3. Since the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, since sum of digits is divisible by 3, hence number is divisible by 3. Okay, therefore the whole number 24336 is divisible by 6. Okay, now one more example, that 216. Please go through it. 216. Okay, just you have checked that 6 is divisible by 3. Why? Because unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6. It is divisible by 6. Since unit digit is 6, it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now, sum of all digits. We have to check one more, that is divisible by 3. Sum of all digits. 2 plus 1 plus 6. How much it is? 2, 1, 3, 3 and 6, 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. Hence, the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now, come to divisibility of 7. Divisible rule of 7. Divisible by 7. Which numbers are divisible by 7? Yes, the number which are divisible by 7 is one of the most tough divisibility in all these numbers, what I have already discussed, and 8, 9 and 11 also. Okay, so 7 is most difficult. If the number, suppose you have to first of all understand that which numbers are divisible by 7. I am not going to write the statement. Okay, first you have to understand. Suppose 343. I have to check that whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, now first step is just you double this number. Okay, step 1. Step first, double the unit digit. What is the double of this? 3 into 2 double. How much it is? 6. Okay. Step 1, double the unit digit. Unit digit is this. Unit digit is this. Double the unit digit, which is equal to 6. Step 2, subtract 6 from the given number. That is, given number is 343. 343 minus 6. How much it is? 3, 3, 7. 13 minus 6, which is equal to 7. Remainder is here 3, so 3 and 3. Okay. Now, you can't decide that whether 337 will divisible by 7 or not. Just you multiply. Okay. One thing. Please stop here writing. Okay. Subtract 6 from the remaining numbers, not the given number. Okay. Subtract 6 from the remaining number. What is the remaining one here? Remaining one here is 34. That is 34 minus 6, which is equal to 28. Now, can you say that 28 is divisible by 7 or not? That's why I have already told you that please memorize the table of 2 to 20 so that you can ease your calculation. 28 comes in the table of 7. Since 28 is divisible by 7, hence the given number is divisible by 7. Okay. Now, one more example, that if I am giving you that 1693. Okay. Now we have to calculate whether this number will divisible by 7 or not. Okay. Now, what will be the first step? Just double this number. So double of 3 is 3 into 2. Oh, here was also. Okay. Let me. 3. And I am just taking here that it is 88.